our student category finalists. First, we have the Bangsak Water Rising of Ethnic Studios from Mariano Marcos State University, Ilocos Region. We also have Against the Flow of Camel Crew from Philippine Science High School, Cagayan Valley. Our third finalist is the Trash Dash of City Prowlers from Cebu Institute of Technology, Central Visayas Region. Our fourth team is from Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, Northern Mindanao Region, Hazard Duel 2.5D at Mantingdog Studios. We also have from Northern Mindanao Region, Ateneo de Davao University, 404 area of 404 not found. We have a finalist from Surigao del Norte State University, Caraga Region, PAC.